All right, girls, today we're learning about France. Okay.
The chicken, the hat.
That's not a chicken.
Looks like a chicken.
Is it a chicken? Maybe it's a chicken. Do you know what that beret is? Oh, I said, I was saying what the hat's called. It's called a beret. Okay, what else do we got in there? Some, probably for craft, okay.
Paintbrushes. And then
Kinda.
some markers.
Nice.
Some paint.
Perfect.
Another Womple book.
Another Womple book.
Pigment of imagination.
All right, very good. Let's see inside that. So, whoops, Womple's gonna take us to France this time. Ooh, I saw some good looking stuff in there.
And then,
That's our map and our information and stuff.
and then it tells you about the Eiffel Tower.
Ooh,
And then it tells you more stuff.
very cool.
And then I think this is for a craft.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think you decorate maybe. And then the stickers for you to put on the map.
Good.
And then here's the craft.
Ooh, pointillism painting. Ooh, that'll be fun. Okay.
And then
Oh, we've done a craft like that before.
yeah.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna make the Eiffel Tower with pointillism painting. Ooh, very fun.
And then this piece of brown paper.
Okay.
Probably gonna use for the craft. And then this piece of cardboard. And then the frame for it.
Ah, frame for it.
And then another craft.
Oh,
A French comic book.
a French comic book. That's cool.
And then here's the comic book.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. And then, oh, there's some stencils for the comic book.
Oh, they're French stencils. Oh, look at his Womple.
And then
There's
that's it.
Womple.